we're going to look at how to prepare two of the financial statements. We're going to prepare an income statement and a statement of retained earnings. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to look at the trial balance that we're given, and we want to ask ourselves, okay, so what accounts are going to go on the income statement, and what accounts are going to go on the balance sheet? I mean, sorry, statement of retained earnings. I'm trying to figure out how to do, there we go, highlighting. Okay, so the beginning, cash, accounts receivable, office supplies, trucks, these are assets. What financial statement do assets go on? They go on the balance sheet. Land, account, okay, that's all assets. So these are assets. And they go on the balance sheet. So we don't need those. Now the next ones are liabilities. These are liabilities. And they go on the balance sheet. So we don't need those. Okay, the next group we're going to use. So for the income statement, we're going to start here with truck fees earned. That'll be our revenue. And then all of these are going to be our expenses. So that's where we're going with this. So when we go down here, we need to put our revenue in. So our revenue, we just said, trucking fees earned, 143,000. And then we're going to go look at our expenses. Salaries expense, 67,067. And then the next one is office supplies expense, 9,500. Make sure you choose the expense. Oh, I forgot depreciation expense, 24,049. You know what? I bet I have to put it first. We'll pick up that other one. Salary expense, 67,067. In the real world, it doesn't matter what order you put them in. And then the last one, repairs expense, 12,298. Uh-oh, I'm missing something. Trucking fees earned, depreciation, salaries, office supplies, and repairs. Nope, I'm not. So my total expenses, it totaled for me. So this, don't forget this one, is going to be my net income. So let's check our work. Make sure I didn't miss anything silly. Okay, so we know that our net income is 30,086, and we're going to need that number. We're going to need that number because the next one we're doing is a statement of retained earnings. So when we go over here and we're going to do the statement of retained earnings, we need our beginning retained earnings balance, but let's fill in add net income. What was it? 30096. Add net income. So our beginning retained earnings balance is 151,128. We add net income and we subtract dividends, less dividends. Dividends are right here, 19,000. Dividends are 19,000. So we're going to subtract 19,000. So beginning retained earnings plus net income, make sure that amount was right, 30086. Ooh, see, that's why you have to check. Beginning retained earnings plus net income minus dividends gives you ending retained earnings. There you go. You just did two financial statements, the income statement and the statement of retained earnings. I will come back and do another video for closing entries.